Hello! A new update for HashCore Toolkit. Version 1.5.0 is now available. This release includes numerous fixes, important optimizations, and new convenient features for managing miners. Let's take a look at the most interesting ones. Major fixes. The first thing to note is that the display of device data and restarting status has been fixed. Now, even when restarting the miner, you will see the correct information. The problem with displaying the temperature when the board is turned off has also been resolved. This allows you to correctly analyze the status of the equipment. Another key change is full support for firmware. Compatibility with new versions is ensured. Updates on Windows and macOS have become more reliable. Scripts have been rewritten, and the installation process works without glitches. And for those who export statistics, CSV files in Windows now open with the correct headers and encoding. New features. It is now possible to create a new template by simply copying an existing one. This is convenient when you need to quickly set up similar configurations. Another small detail that saves time is copying the IP address directly from the list. Press the button and the address is already in the buffer. By the way, to avoid accidental clicks, the copy button now appears with a slight delay. You can also filter the list of devices by the number of boards in error. If you have a large farm, you can find problematic miners in seconds. An inverted selection feature has been added, which is very convenient for working with large lists. New columns, energy efficiency, power supply temperatures, and mining algorithm. Now the information is even more detailed. Interface and optimization. The developers have also taken care of user-friendliness. Error messages now have clear color coding, red for critical errors and yellow for warnings. The device list works faster and network searches are now more accurate. The display of Bitmain and Avalon firmware statuses has also been fixed. In addition, memory usage has been optimized. Device list scrolling has been improved, and the logic of some group operations has been changed. Other changes. In addition to the main innovations, version 1.5.0 also includes other important fixes. Fixed updates on macOS and Android. Added auto updates for desktop versions. Improved work with Bitmain and Avalon configurations. Improve the logic of searching for devices on the network. Added support for changing passwords and resetting firmware on Bitmain. All this makes HashCore Toolkit more stable and flexible. So, friends, HashCore Toolkit 1.5.0 is a serious upgrade. We have gained more stable performance, new useful features, and even more control over miners. Which of the new features do you find most useful? Write in the comments, it will be interesting to discuss. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and click the bell so you don't miss new reviews.